What are the 5 essential English sentences that are useful in various situations? Good morning. How are you? A common greeting used to ask about someone's well-being. Can you help me, please? A polite way to ask for assistance or support. It's helpful if you're lost in some place. I'm sorry, used to express regret or apologize for a mistake or inconvenience. I don't understand indicates a lack of comprehension and a need for clarification. Where can I find this place? This is extremely useful when you're searching for a place in a new country. A bonus. Knowing this is useful at all occasions. Goodbye. A farewell greeting used when parting from someone. These sentences cover greetings, requests, apologies, seeking clarification, and farewells, which are essential for effective communication in English. Learning these basic sentences can help you navigate various social and practical situations with ease.